Hello and welcome to another episode of ViTAC University. You've bought the best kit on the market. Now let's make sure that you know how to use it. Here we go.
Let's go.
All right, guys. So here we have the CPR mask. Now, if Sterling was hurt and I was giving him CPR, I would not use this so I could get those sweet smooches. But obviously. What this is really about, this has no real aid in CPR. This is a protective measure for really doing CPR on someone you don't know and just kind of keeping any kind of transfer of fluids, transfer of diseases, whatever someone may have, STDs. Tongues, yeah, transfer tongues does. So you just open this up. We are not going to use this time to give a CPR class. Come on. We are not doing this. It does have instructions as to how it lays in, but your mouthpiece goes down into the mouth and your mouth goes down into the mouth of the patient, and then your mouth goes over here, and it again just creates a barrier of any kind of transfer between the skin.
Absolutely. And just like he's kind of showing you, you got instructions right there. All right, so it does show you how to use it.
Cool.
Perfect.